Hey guys, it's Carla with Carla Dreyer Design, and today I'm going to show you a little before and after. How if you're wanting to make changes to your space, how you can do it with just changing a few key items. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every Thursday when I release a new video. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing you some before pictures, and these are probably not your typical before pictures because I have to say, I think it looks really pretty because I did decorate it about 5-6 years ago. And at the time, the homeowners had just moved into the condo and it had a very sort of glam look to the finishes of it. So we'd kind of played off that. There was a lot of golds, metallics, glass coffee table, just things that gave it that elevated look. After 5+ years of living in it, the homeowner wanted to change things up and have a different feel to the place. And so you can see what it looks like now. It's more earthy, it's more textured, it's a little more simplistic. We've taken away a bit of those glam elements. So I'm gonna walk you through some of the things we kept and some of the things we added that I hope inspires you to make a few changes to your space. All right, so what we kept is we kept the layout the same. This is kind of a tricky space for layout, so we kept that the same. We also kept the sofa. It just works. I think that's a tip I always say with clients. When you're dealing with the more higher priced items, I think it's better to keep it neutral and classic, and that way you could change up. So we kept the sofa the same, but what we did do is we added new textiles. So we had some sort of fun, bright coral pops before. Now we added a black textured throw. We've got some of the warm colors in the rust with it, and it just gives it a really different look and a lot more striking. We then changed up the coffee table. We went from a round glass coffee table to a round wood coffee table. I'm a big fan of round coffee tables. I think they work well in so many spaces. And again, this helped give it more of that grounded look. We did change up the rug. This isn't something we had to do, to be honest. We had a neutral-ish rug. We probably could have kept it, but we found one that was more within the color palette, so we did change up the rug. And then the chairs. We before had some sort of gray, big, comfy, overstuffed chairs, and we went with something a little more sleek, textured, swivel to it. And then it's again about accessorizing. It's about the pillows. It's about the items added to the table. It's about side tables in wood that give it a completely different look. So I hope this inspires you that you don't always need to buy everything new or change everything up, but sometimes just swapping out a few key items can give your room a completely different look. If you like this video, make sure to like it. I hope you're subscribed and share it with your family and friends. Also, before starting any design or decorating project, I think it's really important to know what your personal style is so you can bring that to your home. And I've created a free Finding Your Style quiz, and you can link to it below. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next week.